Who says that Bollywood is not real? Who says that Bollywood is all escapism and not about what happens in real life? Bakwas. I, DJ Harsh, on Hum Desi Radio, Let's Play Your World, is going all out today to tell you that films, art, cinema is a reflection of real life. Sometimes it reflects what has happened, and sometimes life mirrors art so completely that, well, I shock. We rock. On Hum Desi Radio, Let's Play Your World, life mirrors art. What if I told you that cricket also mirrors films? Yes, so many situations in cricket where it is just like films. And as we're gearing towards the cricketing season, on today's Top 5, I have 5 filmy situations that repeated on the cricket world. 5 cricketers who have behaved just like our on-screen idols. Stay tuned and find out with Hum Desi Radio, DJ Harsh, Let's Play Your World. So at number 5, does anybody remember the opening shot of Dostana, the movie? John Abraham, Abhishek Bachchan, where both Abhishek and John showed off the best parts of their talent in that very first scene. Abhishek wore a pink shirt with a gamcha, yes, and John showed his butt crack. Suddenly, a tsunami hit Mumbai. I don't mean it in the dirty sense. The whole world went all hoity-toity on John Abraham. Volumes on how Bollywood had changed. Men were now being objectified as beauty or sex objects as well. Earlier it was the women who displayed body beautiful. Now it's the men. John didn't mind. As long as he had shaved his butt, it was okay. But a similar furor had hit the cricketing world when India had defeated England at the NatWest series in July 2002. It was a thrilling final. India won with 2 wickets. Sourav Ganguly got all excited and took off his shirt, swirled it around and displayed the rather man-boobed and hairy chest for the whole world to see. Kapil Dev took offense to the display. Not because the chest only exposed that Indian players have never looked like sportsmen with their shirt off. Kapil Dev felt that a skipper shouldn't display such emotions. Kapil Dev Sahab, I agree. I also think that a skipper should not display man boobs. Also, a waxing is always in order. But like John, the whole world talked about it. And for about 2 seconds, Sourav Ganguly was a sex symbol. Till they swayed in the wind. I don't mean the shirt sleeves. I meant the chest parts. And for that moment in history, he lands at number 5 on our list of cricket and film. Sab ek hai on Hum Desi Radio with DJ Harsh. Let's play your world. आज का Top 5 on Hum Desi Radio. Let's play your world. Cricket and film. हम सब एक हैं. Yes. Whatever happens in the film world is mirrored in the cricketing world and vice versa. And I will prove it today. We've now reached number 4. So, Nirupa Roy and Amitabh Bachchan had a legendary pairing in Hindi cinema. Apart from Rekha, she was the only woman he had any sort of chemistry with. All the other women barely showed in his films and they all had to look cute and then disappear. But Nirupa Roy was the mom. In fact, not many people remember any dialogue that Amitabh Bachchan had with Parveen Babi in the film Diwar, but both brothers fight over the mother and one of them is actually happy that she lives in his house. Seems odd in this day and age. I mean, if I was one of the boys, I'd be like very happy. Please get her out. I want my bachelor pad. But legend has it that Nirupa Roy became pregnant in 21 films and in each film gave birth to Amitabh Bachchan, who was always named Vijay. Hai ki nahi? That was the year 1975. Now fast forward to the year 2003 and that famous ad. If you've not seen it, in America, it was a hugely successful commercial in India. In the commercial, India needs 6 runs to win. Last 2 balls. Virendra Sehwag is on strike against a bowler who resembles the Zimbabwean bowler Henry Olonga. Sehwag misses the penultimate delivery. There is a huge sigh from the audience. Amongst the spectators, there's a man and a young kid. Who is this guy? We don't know. Who is the kid? We don't know. Suddenly, Sehwag's mobile, that is with the kid and the man, don't know why, starts ringing. The mother is online. The man says, Sehwag ki maa, and tries disconnecting the phone. The young boy grabs the mobile set from his hands, beats all the security guards to reach Sehwag in the middle of the field. And Sehwag gets to read his mother's message. Strange that it was a call which suddenly became an SMS. And it's written, Karlo Duniya Muthi Mein. So blessed by his mother, Sehwag smashes the final delivery for a huge 6 and is given a hero's treatment by the spectators. So you see, the mother has mysterious powers unexplained by any science or logic, and that repeats not only in films but also in cricket, which is why it lands at number 4 on our list of cricket and film Hum Sab Ek Hain. DJ Harsh ke saath Hum Desi Radio. Let's play your world. If you're right smack in the middle of cricketing fever and Bollywood fever never goes away, you have tuned in to the right place. This is Hum Desi Radio for the best Desi entertainment and Bollywood music all across the globe, especially in America. We're right here with you and we're right in the middle of the top 5. And aaj ka top 5 topic today, cricket and film. Hum sab ek hain. Ranbir Kapoor has announced that he is unhappy about his Casanova image. He intends to change and not give fuel to rumors. It's disturbing him and his family. Yeah, right. He has 16 one-night stands. The only one thing that he should be worrying about should be the maid who's changing his bed sheets regularly. In 2008, he did a film called Bachna Hai Hasino, where Ranbir played a playboy who breaks many a girl's heart until he meets this one woman he falls for. She dumps him and suddenly he realizes all that he has done, goes around doing it right. In doing so, not only makes past wrongs right, but also wins back his love. Now, the parallel universe of cricket, where Yuvraj Singh did much the same thing. I know that Yuvraj is about as fugly as they come, and now with 6 chins and counting, and with a waistline higher than his run rate, well, at least some time ago, had gone through pretty much the same phase. There was the partying, the drinking, the bad behavior, rubbing his IPL team the wrong way, of course, losing it all, being chucked out of the team, and winding up rock bottom with a career and performance totally in shambles. Dhoni, yes, Dhoni had faith in him, kept him in the team. Do you know what the epiphany was? Please, don't let it be a girl, please. Yuvraj saw the finish line and ran for it. Well, actually, let's be honest, he still really can't run because he is fat, but what a comeback. What a rousing answer to his critics. 4 Man of the Match awards and a dream run back to the team. This is undoubtedly a filmy story at number 3, Yuvraj and his Bachna Hai Hasino Ranbir Kapoor ki jodi on Hum Desi Radio. Let's play your world. Bollywood or cricket, hum sab ek hain. So says me. मेरा नाम DJ हर्ष, आप सुन रहे हैं हम देसी रेडियो. Let's play your world. Welcome to Top 5, where I will prove to you that life imitates art or art imitates life, and in this case, Bollywood and cricket imitate each other. We have reached number 2 on our countdown. You might remember the 1986 film Karma, starring Dilip Kumar, Naseeruddin Shah, Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor, Sridevi, and of course, Anupam Kher as Dr. Dang. You might remember that Anupam Kher plays a terrorist who is transferred to Dilip Kumar's jail. He misbehaves and Dilip Kumar slaps him and he says, "Ye thappad ki gooj aapko sunai di." Of course, Dr. Dang destroys his family and of course Dilip Kumar swears the revenge, finds Naseeruddin Shah, Jackie, Anil, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. The part that most people remember is the thappad ki gooj. Now, let's bring you from 1986 to the year 2008. IPL, off to a disastrous start for Mumbai Indians. Sachin out due to injury. Harbhajan captaining a very demotivated and disintegrating Mumbai Indians ki team. Mumbai Indians take on Kings 11 Punjab. And Sri Sant apparently jeers Harbhajan Singh, saying hard luck buddy when Mumbai Indians lose. So what does Harbhajan do? He slaps Sreesanth, and Sreesanth, the big brave man, is seen crying in front of all the camera. थप्पड़ की गूंज सुनाई दी? जी हाँ, सुनाई दी. Harbhajan banned for 11 matches. A huge revenue loss for Mumbai Indians, because up till now Mumbai Indians was the most expensive IPL team. And of course, Sreesanth stopped being cute, which is very good, which makes this land at number 2 on my list of cricket and film Hum Sab Ek Hain on Hum Desi Radio. Let's play your world. Cricket or Bollywood, hum sab ek hain. I can imagine and Suraj Barjatia ka music while all cricketers and Bollywood people are running hand in hand into the sunset. Of course, they all won't fit in the field because our Bollywood stars are fit and our cricket stars look fat. But that's not the point. DJ Harsh on Hum Desi Radio, let's play your world. We have reached number 1 on my list of how cricket and Bollywood imitate each other. What is life? What is art? I'll leave you to decide. At number 1, let me tell you the story of Amitabh Bachchan, undisputed superstar of Bollywood. But life hasn't been all that easy for him. Remember the time approximately 11 years ago when his company ABCL fell apart? He was millions in debt, down in the dumps, creditors knocking at his door. He was about to lose his home amongst other things. Everywhere there was darkness and no light in sight. He kept his cool, quietly got back to working. First came the film Mohabbatein, then came Kaun Banega Crorepati, and then came every endorsement that he could find. Of course, later on, from Twitter to his blog to every film that he could possibly do, he just kept his blinkers on and continued doing his work. Does that remind you of someone? Yes. 7 years ago, when Sachin Tendulkar hit his 30s, talks started about his retirement. Any one bad performance and the chatter would start. His wife doesn't want him at home. तुम्हारे बाप का क्या जाता है यार? But despite the shoulder, the elbow, the finger injuries, the hamstring pulls, Sachin quietly kept on playing, and now for this World Cup, there is not a record that he hasn't broken, or a record that he hasn't set. And he has done this with the dignity and perseverance. So who says that cricket and films are not the same? This proves by landing Amitabh and Sachin both at number 1 on our list of cricket and Bollywood Hum Sab Ek Hain. Sirf DJ Harsh ke saath on Hum Desi Radio. Let's play your world.